Updating your profile details on Stripe is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to open the Account Settings menu. Step 3. Select Profile Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Profile or Account Information. Click on this option to view your current profile details. Step 4. Edit your details. In the Profile section, you will see fields for your name, email, and other relevant information. Click the Edit button next to the fields you wish to update and make the necessary changes. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your profile details, ensure you click the Save button at the bottom of the page to apply your changes. You should receive a confirmation that your profile has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily keep your Stripe profile up to date. Regularly checking your information ensures smooth transactions and communication.